The SafetyGate Pro-Med power cord is a simple, effective, and low-cost restart protection solution for medical equipment OEM applications. The miniaturized SafetyGate circuitry resides in the cable between your device and the power plug. Specifically designed to meet IEC 60601-1 version 3 mandates for restart protection. Here's how it works. When power is applied after a breaker trip, local outage, accidental unplugging from a wall outlet, or initial startup, the patented SafetyGate circuit senses if your device has a switch left on and immediately puts up a protective gate, stopping the flow of electricity. To reset, simply turn your device's power switch to off. SafetyGate products are the only restart protection solutions that use a tool or machine's own power switch to reset, assuring a connected device does not receive power unless the user is in the operating position. Providing restart protection not only after a power outage or breaker trip, but from an accidental unplugging at the supply outlet as well. This patented feature prevents dangerous secondary restart hazards caused when resets are made away from the tool or machine. The SafetyGate Pro-Med is designed to OEM specifications as approved by UL CSA IEC 60730 and UL 817. With its miniaturized embedded circuitry, the SafetyGate Pro-Med allows medical equipment manufacturers to meet the latest IEC restart protection standards without modifications to their products other than simply replacing the power cable. No buttons to push, no switches to reset. Completely automatic. The SafetyGate Pro-Med by SafeStart Systems.